Hello student, today we will learn how to reverse a string in Python. So to reverse a string in Python, we have got so many ways of doing it. So here the various ways have been written. One by one, we can follow them to implement reversing of a string in Python. So the first one is by using a slicing method. Second one by looping. Then third one is by looping with index. Fourth one is by using stack technique. Here we will be using this technique in the list. And then next is coming up by using list comprehension. This is also very important because here you will be able to define thing in a concise way, as list comprehension has been added for that purpose to reduce your multiple coding lines. Then by using Python library reversed function, it is reversed function please. Then by using recursion method. So these are the ways by which we can reverse a Python string. So let us go to our IDE and there we can implement it. So here is a file I have opened, reverse string2.py, and in this one we can start with a class. So I'll write here class is reverse string. Reverse string is a class name, and then here we can define methods one by one. So first method is by slicing. So I'll write it def by slicing. By slicing, here as this is class method, so I'll first argument, as we know, self is the first argument all time, and then here we will be defining the argument that we will be passing as a string. So this we will give name as mystr. So in this one, as this is by slice, so what we will do, we will write return, and return equal to mystr. In mystr it will start from beginning, means I'll not write any, that is 0, and it will end till the last character. So again we by default it will be going up to the length, and then I'll reverse this. So this one done, and now here you can define one main. In the main you can, in the main you can call this method now. So first of all, what you will have to do, you will have to create a or create an object of this class. So I'll create object, say ob equal to reverse string, and then object has been created. Now after this you can you can call it. So I'll print reverse reverse of a string, reverse of a string, print and this will be, I'll draw a line for this, and then now here I can call that method. So print reverse of the string by using slicing. Here we are using reverse string is being done by slicing slicing method. So how you will call it, you will call it by ob dot then by slicing, and here pass this argument mystr. So mystr you need to define as well please. So I'll define mystr equal to sparrow. So this should be reversed, and you can save this and run it. It is not a return, it's a ret var. We will take a ret var. Ret var is a string, and we will return this, return ret var. So save it and run it. It is reversed. This is one way. Now similarly we will follow other ways by looping. So copy this, and by by looping. So by looping, what I'll do, I will define one string. I have declared and initialized this string. Now I'll run my for loop. So for I in my str, I in my str, and then return it. My str. So what you are returning, red var, and each time you will be adding some character to this. So what you will be doing, I, you will add I, and then you will write red var. So please try to understand this trick. It's a trick actually. See what I am doing. I am picking that character. The new character is being placed first, and the red var, whatever red var is having, that will be placed after. So it means the first, when you are having as if you will pass sparrow, s will be coming in the later part, and p will be coming in the I. So it will become p and then s, like this. It will be starting, it will go till the end, then w will be the first one and o will be the next one, like this. So because here you, if you will add a red var plus I, it will be printing same, and when you will be printing I plus red var, it will be printing in reverse order. So again you can print it here. You can do the same thing and go and run it. Then by looping, it will be done by looping. So by, you can call this method looping, and run this program. You will get the answer again by using looping. So run it and see the output. Again you got the same thing. Now we will do the same thing, but this time we will do by index. So what I'll do, I'll pick out this, and this time I'll be doing it by index. So this looping index, this is the third one, and same, everything will remain same, but now in the looping, what you can do here, you can define range function, and find length of the string, len of my str, and then -1 means one character less, and then you are till end, it will be starting from last and moving till the 0, means one character ahead than the 0, then you can reverse it. So the string will be starting from last till the first one, and then here what you will be printing, you will be printing this time red var plus I. So you will, every time you will be adding a new character to this. Then once you have done, after this you can print it. Looping and indexing. So here looping and index is, function will be called by looping index. So when you will run it again, you will get the answer for this. So run it and see the output. Something wrong. What has gone wrong? Red var equals 0 and you are indexing, so you will have to call this function, please, I my var, then index. So now my var has my str, and it will be called. Run it and see the output. Again this has been done. Now next method we will be using list comprehension. So how that will be done in the list comprehension, just do the same way, but in the list comprehension you will be doing little change to that. List comprehension, by list comprehension do everything same, but here what you will be doing, you will be adding that to my str, and the change character will move to this. And what you will do here, you will be giving red var red sorry red red var okay red var equal to, it will be including this whole bunch as a new one. So then you can, this will be, everything will be returned to mystr as a character. And then finally what you can do, you can join this, you can join this red var. So you can put here join, and the join method will join all your characters. And here what you will be giving, you will be giving red var. You can give it like this. So after this, once it has been done, then actually it is 1, so you need not to put here anything. So this red var has come up here, and then you can return it back. So try to understand this please. Here in list comprehension, everything you are placing in a single in a single line, because so it is used to concise your code. So for concising, we are putting everything in the single line. Here for loop is rotating from last to n, and that is being added to mystr, as this will be in the character form. Then finally what you are doing, putting it to concatenating, you are concatenating everything, and then that will become a string, and then a string will be returned back in the return var, and that will be returned back to the main program. Now again come down to here and call it in the main. So again this will be returning your string in the reverse order. So by list comprehension, list comprehension, and just run it, see the output. So again by list comprehension it is also done by using list. I'll write here list comprehension. So I think we have done 1 2 3 4 5 ways we have done, and just save it and run it again, it will come list comprehension. So all are done like this. Now what is next left? List comprehension we have done by using slicing, looping with index. Here we are using range function. Then we are to do list comprehension, I have done, and by we will be doing stack technique. So here we will be applying stack technique to the list. So what we will do here, actually in the list technique, we will be starting in a way, then by, so again you will be doing same thing, then mystr. Then after that what you will be doing, in the here you will run your again do same thing, red var, I'll take it red var. Then one string has been declared, and to convert it, firstly you convert this string to list stack, because stack technique, what it will do, stack. Then what you will do, you will till the records are there. Similarly we can use this while stack is there. So while stack means while data is in the stack. Now after this what you can do, you can use red var. In the red var you will be doing, you will be adding stack, you will be adding stack. And what you will be adding, you will be adding last character, picking out last character from the stack and putting it in the red var. So how you will take out the last character from the list, this is very important now. So here you need to know that method. So which method picks out last character from the string? That is pop method. So pop method will be picking out a character and putting out in the red var. Every time this loop will go on, and the character will be added to the red var. So then you can return red var. I think this you need to concentrate a little here please. Pop function will be picking out last character from the list. So last character will be, in case of sparrow, it will be w. So w will be placed at the beginning in the red var. Then next time what will happen, it will be picking out your A, then P, then S. So the everything will be reversed here, and you can again print it. So what you can do, you can print here by stack technique. So by using stack technique, and here you can write by using stack technique, and again you are doing same thing, passing, and you will get the reverse of the string. So I think it is done. So you have done 5 ways. Now what's left out? Let us go back again. Using reverse function, it's a very simple one. Here you need not to do anything, just use the reverse function and do and print it. So go back. Now here create again another method, def by using Python library function, that is by using reverse function, reversed function. And with this again you will be doing the same thing. You will first pass first argument as self, and then next one will be mystr. Then after that what you will do, you will take a variable, then say redvar, and then in the redvar what you will do, you will this variable, or either directly you can call the reverse function, call the reverse function, and what you will pass to this function, you will be passing my reverse, and then return redvar, then print it. See, it's the simplest one out of these so many. So here, go here, print it by reversed method, so pass this mystr and get the output for this by using reverse. Name is by using reverse, so you will have to write here by using, save it and run it. So here you have some problem that reverse function has been reversed that, but it is returning it as a it will be returning as an object. So what we need to concentrate here, I think we need to again convert it to use join here. So what we can do, we can join it as as in the character format, so that it will be printed correctly. So redvar, here what I can do, reversed, and then I can use the join method here, character, and then join it in the character form. So we need to join because it will be returning it in the other format, as you have already seen that object. So run it and then see whether you are going to get it. Yes, you have got the output. So it is by reverse method, by using reversed, and that we will be doing it by recursion method. So in the recursion, let us do it by recursion method. So let us go back. So in the recursion method, what you will do, actually define the last one here. What you can do, define by using recursion method. Now when you will be using recursion method, what you need to do, take one var, you have to call it call function again and again by recursion by recursion method. And now the important thing comes out here. When you are doing recursion, you will have to take care of that how the how you will be passing your data, because every time you have to pass one less data to that one less character. So pass your mystr, and what you will be passing, you will be starting it from 1. 1 means first character will be left out all time, first character will be left out, and it will move to till the last. This will be passed to it. So first time when you will be giving sparrow to it, here what will happen, it will keep with it the first character keep with it. First character means that will be of 0 index. So mystr character with 0 index to 1, 0 index will be kept with it, and 1 will be calling back. So every time what will happen, the first character will be will be you know will be stored here. Actually, in the by recursion, it will automatically, it will be stored here. Actually, what happens in recursion method? In recursion method, recursion is a process in which a function calls itself again and again. So when a function is calling itself again and again, what you will have to do, you will have to, first of all, you need to check out whether there are characters, whether there are characters available in the string. If not, then you return back at least more than one character must be there, otherwise that will not be reversed. So what you find out, length of the given string mystr, and if it is equal to 0, then you need not to do anything, just return it back, return mystr, nothing is to be done. But in the second case, in the very second one, in the else part of it, if it is not like that, then what you will do, you will return this one. Now when we are coming to the second part of it, by recursion, this method is being called again and again. When this mystr is having data to it, means the string value to it, it will be starting from first index. It is leaving 0, please keep in mind, it is starting from 1, and the first character is being added to this this recursive loop, because it's a recursive loop. Every time the index is moving ahead, means it will be on the first one, it will be taking s. If we are taking this string, first it will be passing s, sparrow. Then in this case, s will be picked out by this, and sparrow will be passed by this back to this. Then next case, that will be here s is already there. Now p will be coming to that p. After that, s will be there, then p will be coming. Then p will be coming, and in the next one, what will happen? Then a will be coming, then r will be coming, then like this. So means every time this will be picking out each character from here, and that first character will be added at the end, and the current character will be before that. Seeing this particular one, this is just like moving a index, like from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, like this. It will be taking it as an index, and it will going back by every time it will be moving by one character, and the first character will become the last character, and your the last character will become the first character, because as per this index, so this way everything, all methods we have done, implementation of reversing a string. So now you can print here. So by reverse method, so by recursion method, now do it by recursion. So what you will do in the recursion, by recursion, so you have passed in the same way that string, and now run this program. And see, by recursion method also this has been reversed. So these are so many ways of reversing a string. All you can follow, all you can apply in your implementation. And whenever you are being asked to follow a particular one, then you will have to do reversing by that particular method. And if it's not, then you can select any out of these. So all the seven ways of reversing a string have been done, and hope you will like it. Thank you very much for seeing this, please.